Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing an amazing hack that will save you money and make your life so much easier. Did you know that mixing toothpaste and Vaseline can do more than just clean your teeth or moisturize your skin? Stick around, and I'll show you two incredible ways to use this simple mixture. All you need is 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, great for moisture and protection. 30 grams of toothpaste contains abrasives, whitening agents, and humectants that work wonders. Mix these two together, and you have a powerful multi-purpose helper. Got bitten by mosquitoes, bees, or locusts? Their bites leave behind acidic toxins that cause painful itching. Simply apply a small amount of this mixture to the affected area. It forms a protective layer that soothes irritation and relieves itching quickly. Tired of seeing white or yellow build up on your sink faucet? This happens due to hard water deposits, but don't worry, I've got the perfect fix. Take a bit of the Vaseline and toothpaste mix. Spread it evenly over the faucet. Let it sit for a few seconds, then wipe it clean with a cloth or paper towel. Rinse with water, and watch your faucet shine like brand new in less than a minute. Wasn't that incredible? Try this hack and let me know in the comments which city or country you're watching from. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next amazing tip. See you next time, friends. Stay safe, and God bless.